we are also starting the recording here. Can you see your exam paper, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it your exam paper? And we have here
Sir, can you show me my one?
your one. You want to see?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
How
our
much?
physics was very bad. I don't understand why.
Yeah, I also expected more from you. Why it happened, I don't know.
I don't know, sir. I got B in physics
Yeah,
only, except
did
all
you
I got
check
A
the
star.
exam script? Did you check the exam script?
I think so, but sir, I didn't understand the exam speed. How you like do the
Okay, okay.
correction?
Now I will show you how we did it. I will show you now. What about others? Anyone you understood from the exam
No,
script?
sir. No, sir.
Ravi,
No, sir, it was confusing, sir.
it was confusing. Okay, now we will see. No problem. What about other subjects? Did you see any other exam script?
No, sir.
Only my one I said, right?
Yes,
Which
yes,
one?
Sir,
sir.
only you gave.
Only I gave.
Sir, all exam were good, sir.
All exam are good. That's one
Yes, sir.
point.
All A and is.
Another point is you are understanding the exam script, checking or not. That is another point. I'm talking about that one. Look, here we have the email address, right? So the one I want to see, I have to take that one. Like Abid Hossain Rabi, Jawad, then Shimanto, Tamid, then Farabi, K. Farana is Fabila. Adnan Rahim is not here. Aisha is present, right? Yeah. Aisha, thank you so much for joining. Huh? Then Nubrat is not there. Mohammad Saad is there. Shah Fazilatul
Sir,
Faiz.
Noob will join soon.
Okay, okay. I will give you, no problem. Look, first I am opening Saad's one, okay? Because he got the highest mark, 17 out of 20. Saad and Shafkat both. They got, first we will see their one, then this way we will see others. And
Have you, sir?
and another thing is like uh, the one Saad did mistake. Shafkat did mistakes in other three, not this three. Shafkat did these three correct. So we got all the 20 responses correct from the students. 20 responses means 20 questions were there. And 20, we can say 20 items. 20 items were there. So out of 20 items, all 20 items were got corrected by the students. That, that's one interesting thing. But some got 17, some got 15, some got 12. I expected more from Rabi, Zawad. Okay, but their score is not actually satisfactory from my side. Look, this is the first question. Okay, this is the first question. The diagram shows a thermometer. What is in region X of the capillary tube? So they Saad gave you a vacuum, and it is correct. You can see the tick right here. Here it is.
Yeah, sir. We can say
Yeah,
everything.
yeah. Here he gave a vacuum. So how many of you gave different? Can you tell me? You all are present here. Anyone is here? You gave different other than vacuum.
I don't think so.
Okay, you don't think so. Yasin got only 4. Yasin got only 4. That's the thing we got here. Hmm. Okay. Now we are going to next question here. This one, I think many of the students did wrong, right? This one. Can you remember which one you gave?
Sir, I
Everyone,
think I
try
gave
to think.
correct.
Yeah, try to think. Saad gave this one A, and he got it corrected. 3 kilowatt.
So I don't remember
Sir,
which one I gave.
I
So
think I gave 3.
Yes, sir,
you,
me too.
yeah, you gave. I can check. I can check Shafkat's one now. Let's see what Shafkat gave. Or any student.
So
So,
after that, can you check Rabi's one also?
Yeah, sure. All I can show you, no problem. But it will take long time. That's the problem. I already sent you, so I am showing you. Yeah, Rabi's one I am showing now. No problem.
Yes.
Rabi's one, as Kazi Jawad was saying. Rabi's one. Okay. Rabi also gave here A.
Yeah. Yes.
Rabi also gave A. Let me check other one. Kazi Jawad, right? Kazi Jawad, the way you shocked after seeing the result, I think I'm shocked much more than that. You understand my shocking?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand my feeling?
Yes.
Kazi? I expected a lot from you. So you did also this one correct, Kazi.
Yes.
This one you also
Yes.
did correct, 3 kilowatt. And they who did not get the email yet, please don't worry. You will get your one soon because I gave the email according to one rule from school, that is Google Classroom. Check here.
Repeat.
Here you see people, right? Here all the students they who got invited from school. Did you understand who I sent the email?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah, they who got the invitation from Google Classroom, I gave them the email because there are some policies or rules I have to follow. That's why. Now,
Sir, there are many sir issues with the result, I think. Not in
okay, just
physics.
avoid it. Just avoid it. We try to follow because they also have to manage the school, right? Otherwise, our management they are also facing a very tough time. That's why now we can check another one who is present here. Faiza, right? Faiza is there. Then Shimanto
Sir,
is
I
there.
am also there, sir.
Yeah, Shimanto. Yeah, Shimanto's one. Let us check the second one. He did it correct. Yeah, he also did it correct. Mashallah. So then we go to Faiza's one, Aisha's one. Faiza here. Faiza also did it correct, right? Faiza?
Yes, sir. I got
Yes.
half mark.
You got here also this one correct. Yeah. Then we see Aisha's one, right? Aisha, are you there?
Sir? Yes, sir.
So am I missing anyone other than Aisha? Anyone is left? Here, Aisha got correct the first one, the second one. Mashallah, all of you did correct the first one and second one. Now, the third one, which change in the design of a liquid in glass thermometer makes it more sensitive. Did I show Shafkat's one? Shafkat? Shafkat
no,
is there?
sir.
Okay, so why
Yes,
you
sir,
are
he
not
showed
talking? I'm asking you, you are not talking. Which one is yours, email?
the Tamid.rt.
Yeah, Tamil dot. Yeah. You, if anyone is missing, please tell me because sometimes I also cannot recall. Yeah, your one is also correct. Question two. Now, third one is wrong for Shafkat also, but this one I think correct for Saad. Because Saad, which one Saad did wrong, Shafkat did other one wrong. Both got 17. So here you see which change in the design of a liquid in glass thermometer makes it more sensitive. And for sensitivity, can you remember what are the things we said? Can you
Sir, mainly a larger liquid reservoir, then
larger?
a
Of course,
longer.
it is larger, but this one we said larger bulb, right? This way
Yeah,
we taught you. So larger bulb is the larger liquid reservoir, right?
yes, sir.
So clear to you.
Yes,
So
sir.
who did wrong? Why you did wrong this one, Shafkat? You know it, right?
Sir, I was confused and time pressure.
Time pressure. We gave you 30 minutes. There's not less time. And also we gave more than 30 minutes, extra 10 minutes.
That's for sir if any problem then.
Yeah, so you see you did wrong here. And if I see another one, Saad's one. So this one you understood, right? They who did wrong, you just check it from your email or from your answer you can recall, right, which one you gave. That one you can think and you can understand why you did mistake. Abdullah Farabi is present now. Qazi Abdullah Farabi, hello.
No, sir, he is not present.
He is not present, so can anyone call him to join class? Why he is absent in class? So this one got corrected by Saad, right? It is large liquid reservoir. Then this one, a machine is very efficient. What does it mean?
These I gave correct, I'm sure.
You gave correct and Saad also gave correct. So anyone can explain this one, why you chose this? It wastes very little energy. Can you explain why you chose this one? Anyone,
Sir,
please?
sir, it's a very efficient. Means it's a not fully efficient, but very efficient. So it lost a little bit power. Like in that way, I thought.
Yeah, yeah. Then any other explanation?
No, sir.
Hmm. They who did wrong, let us try with their one. Okay. Like Ravi's one, we can go through. Yeah. Ravi, this time I am doing one thing for you. That is, I already scanned. You have the book, Ravi?
No, sir.
Yeah, I am doing one thing for you. That is, I am scanning all the chapters from the book. You can have it in Google Classroom. Okay, from there you can get all these resources. So I think this time it will not be a problem for you, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
okay, you also got it correct. That one you did wrong. You chose a smaller liquid reservoir. It should be
Yes.
larger bulb, right? Now this one. Any more explanation you have about this one? Very efficient.
No, sir. Sir, can you give one any explanation on this?
Yeah, I have one explanation. That is what you said. That is correct. That's not wrong, or that's also giving good idea. But we can add something more like efficiency formula. You understood it, right? What
Yes,
is the formula of efficiency, Shimanto?
Yes, sir.
Shimanto, what is the
Yes, sir.
formula of efficiency?
Sir, efficiency is equals to total electrical power input divided by কি জানি স্যার স্যার ভুলে গেছি স্যার
Okay,
input not
উপরে
total power output by total power input.
multiplied by 100.
we we got in two ways. One is useful power output divided by total input power, right? This one.
Yes, sir.
Or energy. By energy, we can also say like output energy by input energy. Useful output energy by input energy. So it can be related to power or it can be related to energy. But we have to understand they are talking about very efficient. In our revision classes, I explained it in this way that if any machine, if it wants to be more efficient, then it should have more output, right? More useful output, isn't it? If you are giving some input, if your output is more, that means your loss is less. Do you understand this one, what I'm saying? Hello? Hello,
sir.
everyone. Yeah, respond, please. Kazi. Hello, Kazi. Everyone, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir. Hello.
So if any machine wants to be more efficient, there should be more output, useful output. It can be energy or it can be power, no problem, but there should be more useful output. That means if you have more useful output, so you have less wastage or less loss. Clear to you? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So if it is less loss or less wastage, that means we are having this one more appropriate, right? Some of you might you chose this one. It uses very little energy. This one, I think most of you who did wrong, they chose this one. We can check one or two questions, one or two responses. Like we can check Shivanto's one or Kaji's one, right? What do you think? That how they gave the answer? Zawad, Kaji Zawad is there. Yeah, what I said that he gave it uses very little energy. If it uses very little energy, that means you are giving less input, right? You
Sir,
are
is
giving
this my
less.
one?
Yeah, yes, your one. You give less input. It's not related to efficiency. It's only related to input. So when you are giving answer, you should just think for some time, then you answer, right? Otherwise, if you are going quick, then you might not get the question the way they are asking you. The concept is not so difficult, but you have to think. You just spend some time. We can see Shimanto's one, right? Shimanto's one, what he gave. Yeah, his one is correct, mashallah. He did it correct. Okay, so we can go to next one, this motors one. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Okay, so
Hello.
here only I am giving you the options, only the question, not the options. You just see the question, then you tell me the answer now. Okay. Here. Can you read anyone? Kazi?
A student is testing 4 different electric motors. He measures the time it takes for a motor to lift either heavy load or a light load to a height of 1 meter.
Mhm.
He makes similar measurements for the other three. A table shows his results. Which motor produces the most power?
Okay, so this one, uh, I gave you one example about your friends, right? Two friends are going upstairs. They are carrying the same amount of load, right? And one is taking more time and another taking less time. Then who is having more power? Can you recall that one? Shimanto, that time you answered during the class. You can you
Which
recall?
one, sir? What, sir?
Uh,
What, sir?
what I said just now. The two friends, they are going upstairs, right? Like the
Yes, sir.
same height they are going. Like they are going to
Yes, sir.
third floor of our classroom,
Yes, sir.
third floor of our school's classroom. Then both are carrying the same load. One is taking more time and another taking less time. Who is having more power?
Sir, the one with less time.
Yes, sir. Less time, sir.
Less time,
Easy, sir.
yeah.
Less
I
time.
can recall that Shimanto that day also said who is taking less time, he has more power.
Because
So
they're inversely proportional.
yeah, so here you got time, less time, this one, right? 12 and this 12, right? But this one, he is carrying light load and this one is carrying heavy load. So who has more power?
Heavy load.
Heavy load. He is carrying heavy load and taking less time. So most power who has is very simple, right? Huh? Shimanto, which one do you think is correct?
Wait, sir. Wait, sir. I'm calculating, sir. I'm calculating, sir.
Why you need to calculate? You don't need to calculate anything here.
Sir,
It's a simple idea.
C. Light 12.
Again, see, oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
look,
Alhamdulillah,
look,
Alhamdulillah.
Shimanto, look. Someone is taking light load and taking 12 seconds, and someone is
oh no,
taking
sir.
heavy load and taking less time. So, who has more
Sorry.
power?
Sir, A, sir. A, sir.
So it's a matter of thinking, like 2 seconds, 3 seconds. You think, then you give the answer. Why you are going so fast, so hurry? I gave you enough time. This way you did mistake. The one you know, but that one you did wrong. Now we see other one, like other student we see. This one was one of the most easiest question I gave, but you did wrong this one. Look here, Kazi,
Sir, I think I did it correct.
you did correct. This one was easy. Everyone should have make it correct. You see, Kazi, hello, Kazi.
Baba
Kazi is
Kazi.
not here,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah. So should we expect this type of mistake from you?
No, sir.
So I know you did much more difficult question. The one question number 2, but this one was very easy question. If you compare that question and this one, it's very easy question, right? Do you agree with me, Kazi?
Yes, sir.
So this way, if you are doing mistake, then how can I help you? Now let's go to this one. Yeah. Which type of wasted energy is produced by the lamp? By what is the purpose of lamp? Can you tell me, anyone?
Sir, what?
It should be thermal, I think.
Light up.
Yeah, listen. You think now
Thermal.
Light
thermal.
energy.
You think now thermal, and that is correct answer. But now you are thinking. Why didn't you think earlier?
So I gave
Kazi.
thermal, I'm sure.
Yeah, it is written here. Correct answer is thermal energy.
No, sir. I mean, I gave in the exam.
Okay, you gave thermal. So
Yes, sir. I'm sure.
I'm saying, Kazi, what do you think? What is the purpose of a lamp? Why we lit a lamp?
Yes, sir, to give light, and light is thermal
Yes,
energy.
yes. So our
Understood.
light is target, but from the lamp we also get some heat energy, right? Which one is not our target? Even last night when we are going to bed and going to sleep, that time our family members were saying yesterday it was hot, right? The weather.
Yes, sir.
And that's why the family members, they were saying that please switch off the light quickly, switch off the light quickly, so that we can get some cold, right? uh, if you switch on the light, you also get some heat energy, right? Thermal energy. That is not our target. Our target is to get the only light energy, isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So that is wasted energy. That is wasted energy, the thermal energy we are getting here. Our target is light energy, but the wasted energy is thermal energy. So can we go to next question? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now next one. Yeah, this one.
Sir, I did it wrong.
Who?
Sir, sir.
Sad, why? Why you did it
Sir,
wrong?
confusion, sir. I think so. Sir, can you check my name?
But sir, I did it correct, I think.
Yeah, if you are doing correct, then Sad is doing wrong. Now first we discuss it, then we'll check. Okay. See this one. Can Faiza is there? Hello.
Sir,
Yeah, please read.
yes,
Read the question, please. Please read the question.
she now puts the second box along the same floor, which
Yeah,
row
you also
indicates
read
that the
this. You also read the first line here.
yeah.
This one, the first line.
Oh,
A student.
a student does work by pulling a box across a horizontal floor. She now pulls the second box along the same floor, which row indicates that the student is now doing twice as much work.
Twice.
Option A, B, C, D.
Yeah. So which row indicates that the student is now doing twice as
Sir,
much work? So
C, right?
what is the formula of work done? We have to focus there.
Force into distance.
Me?
Yeah,
Move.
force into distance move. What about others? Why you are not responding? Yeah, Faiza, what is the formula? Work done?
The formula is sir, ভুলে গেছি তো।
ভুলে গেছি. If you forget after 25 days, then how can you go long way? F into D, right? Force into distance move, right? So this formula we have to focus here. Force, you should, I told you during taking attendance that you keep with you one copy to calculate, to write the formula, to do the working. Then it will be, correct. It will be without errors. You see, force used to pull box is doubled, and distance also you did double. So if you are writing here 2 multiplied by 2 times, this is 2 times, this is 2 times, then 2 2s are 4, so it's coming 4 times than before, right? Isn't it? Do you understand what I'm saying? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
about others?
We
They
can
are not responding. They did wrong. Who did wrong? You should respond more. That if you
Sir,
are
can you
making
show
the
my one?
force, if you are making the force double, if you are making the distance double, then two times, it is 4 times. It's not twice, it's 4 times. So we cannot take A, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you are making the force doubled, but you are making the distance half. Then double, that means 2 multiplied by half. It will be coming as it is, like before, isn't it? 2 multiplied by half, it will again come like this, W equals F into D. That means it is like before, it's not the twice, it's like before. Then force stays the same, yeah, F is same, but the distance is doubled. So you got twice now, 2FD, right? Are you getting me what I am saying?
Yes,
Kazi?
sir.
Kazi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this way, if you think the last one stays the same, is half. It is becoming half than before, right? So it is also wrong. The option D. So our correct
Acha,
option
sir.
is C. Yeah, tell me.
Force always stays the same, right?
Look, they are saying the conditions is sometimes we are making the force double. Like you are pulling or pushing anything. That time you are giving double force next time. Are you getting me? Hello? A student,
Yes.
he or she can push it or pull it with more force. Okay, it is not always constant. Are you clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir,
can
can you
you,
show my one? This
whose
question.
one? Whose one?
That's a sad.
SAS one. Okay, SAS one I'm showing. Now first I'm clearing all the drawings and closing it. Then SAS one. Where is Saad? Did you call Farabi? Anyone?
No, sir. As far as Farabi is busy, sir.
Busy.
Yes, sir. With SKR gang, sir.
Okay, look, this one you did correct. Mohammed Saad.
Oh,
Anyone? You want to see your one? Anyone is there? You want to see your one?
I also did it correct, so I don't want to.
Okay, you did also correct. So we are going to next question. This one. You read this one. Anyone? Ravi. Ravi, can you read
Yes, sir. Which one, sir?
this one?
Okay. As
And
energy is transformed into different forms, it eventually becomes dissipated. What does this mean? All the energy disappears. The energy finally changes into every possible form of energy. The energy spreads out among the objects and the surroundings. The total amount of energy becomes less.
so here we got
I gave correct, I think.
we got this one. The option is B. The energy finally changes into every possible form of energy. So from where this idea is coming? From which rule or which law it's coming? Can you
Sir,
recall?
conservation of energy.
Yeah.
The energy cannot be made or destroyed. I think that's one.
Yes, exactly. So if you are clear about this law, conservation law of energy, the one I gave you in class, you should answer this one correctly, right? All of you. Is it very
Yes, sir.
difficult question?
Yes, sir.
Is it very
No, sir.
difficult question?
No, sir.
No, sir. So this one, I told you that I would give you 10 question easier and 5 question medium difficult and 5 questions more tough. So I expected from all of you, they who are regular, at least 15. At least 15 I expected from you, but from Ravi I expected more than that. you should revise more, right? What I found that before exam, maybe you did not revise much more. Am I right, Rabi?
Yes, sir.
You could go through the recordings at least. They who are going through this one, I got in class 9 very good feedback from them that they were going to my recording many times. Yeah, that's why they did really good. All of them did really good. Their average marks was around 17, 18. All of them. Their number of students is so many, right? In class 9. Last year, class 9. Even after that, their average was very good.
The time is almost over, sir.
Yeah, it's almost over. So we are closing it now. We will continue, right? In our
Okay, sir.
next
Bye,
Sir,
sir.
class.
Assalamu
sir,
alaikum, sir.
Okay. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
sir, hello.
Yeah, tell me. Anything else you have to know?
Sir, what was the answer? That question.
Yeah,
A girl.
we will discuss. No problem. Again we will discuss. Allah Hafiz. Huh?
Oh, okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.